Yes, ma'am.
We'd like to speak with you, okay? You know what in reference to?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take $1,600?
No.
Why did you tell the other manager that you did, sir?
Oh.
The new family.
Hey, Mr. Chambers?
A Family Dollar employee, a missing deposit, and a confession he never had to give, but gave 3 times anyway.
Hi. Officer Davis, Fountain Police Department.
Oh, Jesus. Step outside. Yeah, dog. So my boss had me to call y'all. Chambers stole a deposit in the amount of $1,600. They wanted y'all to pick him up and arrest him.
Is there proof that he stole it?
We have proof on camera that he stuck the deposit in his pocket on Sunday. I have saw it, my boss saw it, and loss prevention have saw it.
Tell it to me.
He's about to run, I can tell you that.
Hold on just a moment.
Okay.
Say his last name was?
What's his name?
Ma'am?
What's his name? What's his name? And he knows y'all called because of him?
Yeah.
How much was it, sorry?
1643 and some change.
Do you know his birthday or anything?
I have to look it up. Hey, the police is here. Can we email this video to them? Because they want to see what he put in his pocket also. But I'm finna let them see it, but they want to email it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. The state attorney's office is gonna need it.
He said it can't be emailed.
Can y'all put it on a flash drive?
Yeah, that's what he just said, a
Yeah.
flash drive. Okay.
That's fine.
No, I don't. Okay, they're about to talk to him first and watch the video, and then I gotta get it uploaded. Okay. I think.
Our captain's on the way. I don't want to go to the back and him run out the front, and he's not fully certified yet, so I don't want something to happen to
Okay.
you, just in case.
Not the biggest guy I've ever had to tackle.
That's not the point. It's more so,
Liability.
yeah, I don't want you to have to.
I don't want you to have to fight me either.
Have y'all spoke with him? What has he said?
I spoke with him. I just talked him into coming back in. He said he took it.
Oh, he admitted to taking it.
He told my boss no, but we saw it. He called me outside. He said he took it. If they'll give him an option to pay it back on Tuesday, he will. They don't want to give him an option. They wanted him arrested. So.
Okay. What makes you think he's gonna run?
Oh, he told me he was finna run. He said he wasn't gonna stay here and go to jail. He's been in prison before.
You know what he's been in prison before for?
Drugs.
Drugs.
Out with a.
Dog.
He admitted to you this morning.
Yes, he just admitted it about 10 minutes ago.
What did he say?
He said that he. Good morning. He
This is
said,
the captain.
"Hey, Captain.
How are you?
I'd be better if I didn't have to deal with y'all."
He admitted it to her
He
and
just
told
admitted.
her that he was going
He
to
said
run.
he took it.
Where is he at?
He's in the
We haven't spoken
inside
with him yet.
What's his name?
chambers.
Been to prison
Blackmail?
before
Okay.
for drugs.
Okay. He did admit it to you.
He just told me standing out here that he took it. He said he's not going to tell my boss because he don't want to lose his job. They saw on the camera at 8:44 on Sunday morning. He rolled the bag up and put the bag in his pocket. He left here at a little bit before 3. He told us that he took the deposit to the bank, but another one of my employees picked him up. She dropped him off at the airport, a motel or something
Airport
here.
motel, yeah.
Okay, so he said he took it. He said he couldn't help himself. He got back on cocaine.
He offered to pay it back.
He said he'll
and
pay
they
it back
don't
on
want that.
Tuesday, but they don't want to. There's nothing I can do.
Yeah,
You need-
we can't do that. Have you seen the video of
No, I didn't want to leave Aaron up here with
You
him.
wanted my boss number?
Aaron? What's his name? You know?
To your right, as soon as you walk in.
Here's your driver's license, man.
Wait right there. Uh-oh, sorry.
Valid non-commercial.
Mr. Chambers? Officer Chambers.
Yes, ma'am.
We'd like to speak with you, okay? You know what in reference to?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take $1,600?
No.
Why did you tell the other manager that you did, sir?
I don't know. Roderick, you got
There's a
any
video.
weapons on you? No, sir, I don't. Okay, you don't mind if I pat you down real quick? You ain't got a box cutter or nothing? No. Let me pat you down. Roderick, it's on video, so be straight with me, dude. I know you done been to prison, I know all that. Yes. And we want this to go smoothly. Yes. We ain't wanting anything more than to handle our business. Okay, dude? Yes, sir. I've been doing this a long time, and I understand that people get in positions. Okay? Yes. And I understand that you may have a cocaine problem. Yes. Okay? Is that true, Roger? Yes, sir. Okay. So let's be straight with each other. Did you take that money? Yes, I did. Okay. What I want you to do is turn around here and let this young man put some handcuffs on you, and we're going to ease out and go to my office. Okay? Yes, sir. All right? With no issue.
Before officers arrived, Roderick Chambers had already admitted the theft to a coworker and to his supervisor. Those statements are the backbone of this case, and they are untouchable by Miranda. Under Federal Rule of Evidence, Rule 801, voluntary admissions to private citizens qualify as party admissions. No custody, no advisement required, fully admissible regardless of what happens next. Miranda versus Arizona triggers only when two elements are both present: custody and interrogation. Strip either one, and the obligation vanishes. Interrogation is not in dispute. Custody is. Howes versus Fields defines custody as restraint on freedom of movement, equivalent to formal arrest assessed from the perspective of a reasonable person. Not the officer's intent, the suspect's reasonable perception. At the moment the captain asked, "Did you take that money?" Chambers had already been patted down, surrounded by multiple officers, inside an enclosed store, with management having demanded his arrest. A reasonable person does not feel free to leave that room. If a court finds de facto custody existed before the cuffs went on, that confession is subject to suppression under Mapp versus Ohio's Exclusionary Rule, not because it was coerced, but because the procedural step was skipped. The case does not collapse. Surveillance footage and two pre-police admissions remain. But a suppressible in-custody confession in a case this clean is an inexcusable, preventable loss. The pat-down. Terry versus Ohio permits a protective frisk only on reasonable, articulable suspicion the subject is armed, not merely criminal. Chambers had verbally expressed intent to flee, and the situation was escalating. The frisk sits within Terry's permissible zone. Probable cause for the arrest is airtight. Store surveillance, two independent, pre-police admissions, and a direct on-scene confession. Under Graham versus Connor, handcuffing a compliant, non-violent suspect is objectively reasonable. No issue.
That's a big old man. Be sure you double lock them cuffs so they don't shut down on Roger. Where you staying at?
Go with mom.
You can call her. Who's your mama?
64850.
Put him in the car.
The captain receives a B+, exceptional de-escalation, confession secured, without force. Deduction. No Miranda advisement before direct custodial. Questioning unnecessary legal exposure on a slam-dunk case. Officer Davis receives a B, thorough pre-contact investigation. Sound scene management. The Miranda gap is shared responsibility. Roderick Chambers receives a B-, compliant during arrest credit given, but he waived his Fifth Amendment right 3 separate times, to a coworker, to his supervisor, and directly to officers. Without counsel, without invocation, voluntarily. 3 takeaways. Miranda advisement before direct questioning is procedural. Insurance, it costs nothing and protects every statement that follows. Never skip it on a documented case. Pre-police admissions are often the strongest evidence in employee theft, uncontaminated by custody concerns and directly admissible. Identify and preserve them at first contact with management. For the subject, silence is a constitutional right, not a red flag. Chambers' pre-police admissions, not the surveillance footage alone, sealed this prosecution. That choice was never legally required. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.